Freelancing is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and make money online. Whether you're into writing, graphic design, or web development, there are plenty of opportunities out there. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are great places to start. You can offer your services at competitive rates and take on multiple clients to maximize your earnings.
Absolutely, freelancing offers a flexible way to earn, allowing you to work on diverse projects and build a robust portfolio.
Affiliate marketing is another lucrative method to consider. If you have skills in content creation and SEO, you can promote products and earn commissions on sales generated through your links. Platforms such as Amazon Associates and ClickBank are popular choices for affiliate marketers.
Yeah, affiliate marketing can be quite rewarding, especially if you have a knack for creating engaging content and driving traffic to your affiliate links.
Dropshipping is an exciting e-commerce model that doesn't require you to hold inventory. With skills in e-commerce and marketing, you can create an online store using platforms like Shopify and AliExpress. This way, you can sell products directly to customers without worrying about storage or shipping.
Exactly. Dropshipping allows you to focus on marketing and customer service, making it a low-risk entry into the world of e-commerce. Creating online courses is a fantastic way to monetize your expertise. If you have a deep understanding of a particular field, you can develop and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. This method not only helps you earn money, but also allows you to share your knowledge and help others learn.
5. Digital products. Skills, design, content creation. Platform Etsy, Gumroad. Sell digital products like printables, ebooks, or templates.
If you're good at design or content creation, platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are great places to sell digital products such as printables, ebooks, or templates. It's a fantastic way to monetize your creativity.
6. YouTube channel. Skills, video creation, editing. Platform YouTube. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing.
For those who love video creation and editing, YouTube offers a plethora of monetization options. You can earn through ads, sponsorships, and even affiliate marketing. So if you're passionate about creating content, YouTube might just be the perfect platform for you. 7. Stock photography, skills photography editing, platform Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. Sell your photos on stock photography websites. If you have a knack for photography and editing, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. It's a great way to turn your hobby into a source of income. All right, let's dive into virtual assistant services. If you have strong administrative and organizational skills, this could be a great fit for you. Platforms like Belay and Boldly connect virtual assistants with businesses or entrepreneurs who need support. You'd be providing virtual administrative support, helping them manage their tasks efficiently. Next up, blogging. If you have a knack for writing and understand SEO, blogging could be your avenue. Using platforms like WordPress or Medium, you can create content and earn through ads, sponsored posts, and even affiliate marketing. It's a fantastic way to share your passions and make money doing it. Finally, let's talk about online tutoring. If you have teaching skills and solid subject knowledge, this might be the perfect opportunity. Platforms such as VIPKid and Chegg Tutors allow you to teach subjects like math, science, or languages to students all around the world. It's a rewarding way to share your expertise and help others learn. 11. Transcription. Skills needed, typing and listening. Platforms like Rev and TranscribeMe can help you get started. Transcribe audio or video files for clients. 12. Social media management. Skills required. Social media marketing and content creation. Use platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer. Manage social media accounts for businesses. 13. Print on demand, skills needed. Design. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble are popular choices. Design and sell custom merchandise like t-shirts or mugs. 14. Podcasting. Skills required include audio production and storytelling. You can use platforms like Anchor and Spotify. Monetize through sponsorships, ads, or listener support. 15. Freelance writing. You'll need skills in writing and editing. Platforms like ProBlogger and freelance writing jobs are great places to start. Write articles, blog posts, or content for businesses and websites. 16. Web design. Skills needed are coding and UX/UI design. Platforms such as WordPress and Squarespace can be used. Create websites for small businesses or personal brands. 17. Online consulting. If you have expertise in a niche field, online consulting could be a great way to monetize your knowledge. Platforms like Clarity.fm and CoachMe allow you to offer advice and guidance to clients in your area of expertise. It's a rewarding way to share what you know and help others succeed. 18. App testing. If you have a keen eye for detail, app testing might be right up your alley. Platforms such as User Testing and Try My UI pay you to test apps and websites for usability issues. It's a straightforward way to earn money while helping developers improve their products. 19. Online marketplaces, also known as flipping. This method involves skills in product sourcing and marketing. Using platforms like eBay and Craigslist, you can buy low-priced items and resell them for a profit online. It's a great way to turn your bargain hunting skills into a profitable venture. 20. Sell on Amazon using Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA. This method requires skills in product research and e-commerce. You source products and sell them through Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon program. It's a great way to leverage Amazon's vast customer base and logistics network. 21. Stock and Forex trading. This method demands skills in financial market analysis. Platforms like eTrade and Robinhood make it accessible to trade stocks, Forex, or even cryptocurrencies for profit. However, always be mindful of the risks involved, as trading can be quite volatile. 22. Online arbitrage. This method involves skills in product sourcing and research. You buy products on sale from one marketplace, like Amazon or eBay, and sell them at a higher price on another. It's all about finding those hidden gems and making a profit from the price differences. 23. Remote tech support. If you've got solid IT knowledge, this could be a great fit for you. Platforms like Geek Squad and Upwork allow you to provide tech support to individuals or small businesses remotely. 24. Sell digital art or designs. If you're skilled in graphic design or art creation, this one's for you. You can create and sell digital art, posters, or design assets on platforms like Etsy and Society6. 25. Voice-over work. For those with a knack for voice acting and clear speaking, this is an exciting opportunity. You can offer voice-over services for ads, audiobooks, or YouTube videos on platforms like Voices.com and Fiverr. 26. Create a subscription box service. This method involves skills like marketing and niche research. You can use platforms such as Cratejoy and Subly to get started. The idea is to create a subscription box service around a specific niche and sell it to a targeted audience. 27. Write and sell ebooks. If you have a knack for writing and content creation, this could be a great option for you. Utilize platforms like Amazon Kindle and Draft2 Digital to publish your ebooks. Write on topics you know well and sell them to a wide audience. 28. SEO services. This method requires expertise in search engine optimization and digital marketing. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer can help you find clients. By offering SEO services, you can help websites rank higher in search engines, leading to better visibility and more traffic. 29. Influencer marketing. This method leverages your social media influence and brand partnerships. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are ideal for this. Build a following on social media and work with brands for paid promotions. 30. Build a niche website. This requires skills in web development and SEO. Platforms like WordPress and Bluehost can help you get started. Create a website around a specific topic, then monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling products. 31. Sell your music. You need skills in music composition and production. Platforms like SoundCloud, Bandcamp, and DistroKid are great for this. Create and sell your music on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, or Bandcamp. 32. Develop and sell software. If you have skills in programming or software development, you can create useful software or mobile apps and sell them through platforms like the App Store or Google Play. 33. Domain flipping. With skills in domain research and negotiation, you can buy domain names and sell them for a profit if they increase in value. Platforms like GoDaddy Auctions and Namecheap are great places to start. 34. Sell handmade products. If you have craftsmanship and creativity, you can sell handmade goods like jewelry, crafts, or artwork online. Platforms like Etsy and eBay are perfect for this. 35. Participate in online surveys. No specific skills are required for this. Platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie allow you to complete surveys or simple tasks for companies. You can get paid either in cash or gift cards. 36. Remote data entry. You'll need typing skills and accuracy for this one. Platforms such as Amazon MTurk and Clickworker offer opportunities to perform data entry tasks for businesses, all from the comfort of your home. 37. Sell website themes or plugins. This requires skills in web development and design. Platforms like ThemeForest and CodeCanyon are great places to create and sell custom website themes or plugins for WordPress or other platforms. Rent out your car on Turo. If you own a car and have good customer service skills, you can make extra money by renting it out when you're not using it. The platform Turo makes it easy to connect with people who need a vehicle. Offer copywriting services. If you have a knack for writing and persuasion, you can write compelling sales copy, landing pages, or product descriptions for businesses. Platforms like Copy.ai and Fiverr are great places to start. Website testing. With an eye for detail, you can get paid to test websites for usability and user experience issues. Platforms such as User Testing and TryMyUI offer opportunities to earn money while helping improve website functionality. All right, let's dive into another exciting opportunity. Number 41, NFT creation and selling. You'll need skills in digital art and some knowledge of blockchain technology. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible are great places to get started. Create and sell NFTs or non-fungible tokens on these decentralized platforms. It's a unique way to monetize your creativity in the digital world. Moving on to number 42, start a Patreon. This method requires skills in content creation and fan engagement. The platform you'll be using is Patreon. Here, you can offer exclusive content or services to your subscribers who support you financially. It's a fantastic way to build a community and get paid for your work. And finally, number 43, write paid newsletters. If you have a knack for writing and content curation, this could be a great fit for you. Platforms like Substack and ConvertKit make it easy to start a niche newsletter and charge subscribers for premium content. It's a wonderful way to share your expertise and generate income. So, to become a social media influencer manager, you'll need some key skills. First, networking is crucial. You'll also need to be good at brand management. You can find opportunities on platforms like Upwork and Freelancer. Essentially, you'll be managing influencer relationships and campaigns for various brands. If you have some unused storage space in your home or garage, you can rent it out. The key skill here is property management. A great platform to get started is Neighbor. It's a simple way to make some extra cash with the space you already have. Selling 3D prints is another exciting opportunity. You'll need skills in 3D design and printing. Platforms like Shapeways and Etsy are excellent for this. You can create and sell custom 3D printed products or designs, turning your creativity into profit. Skills gaming, entertainment, platform Twitch, YouTube gaming, stream gameplay on platforms and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and donations. Skills, market research, event knowledge, platform StubHub, SeatGeek, buy tickets for popular events and resell them for a profit. 49. Create a digital magazine, skills writing, editing, design, platform, issue, Magster. Start a digital magazine around a niche topic and charge for subscriptions or ads. 50. Sell video editing services, skills, video editing, creativity, platform Fiverr, Upwork, offer video editing services for content creators, businesses, or influencers.